Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand that you're not seeing your products on your order confirmation page. So what I did is I went into your account and I tested the funnel for you. As you can see, um, on the page itself, it's showing 12 plus free SNH, right? So that's free shipping and handling. And yeah, so it's showing you the products here and things like that. So everything is showing up. So I selected this particular one, and then of course I went for the order bump of $9, and then I processed it, and it took me to the confirmation page. So congratulations, thank you for your purchase. We sent you an email with an order confirmation. Make sure you check your spam folder, this and that, this and that. And then it shows me the product, right? So this is the product that I purchased, $12 plus free SNH, which is this one. I selected this one here, and then I selected the bump, which is this, and as you can see it showed this and this and this. So it looks like it's working on my end. You can of course let me know if I missed anything, but just to know if anything went through, you can go into the sales page and you can actually check it yourself, and you're going to be able to see it. So you can see that I made a test purchase here for myself, and it's in akramjohn@gmail.com. This is what I purchased 6 minutes ago. I can also see that which I believe this is you. You also tested this yourself 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago. So you've tested a lot of times, which means it's working for you as well. So yeah, go ahead and let me know if you have any questions. But it went through. I can see the products here and here. I can also see it on the phone here and here. All right, let me know. Bye for now.